This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. What if the way you eat your seeds and nuts is quietly reducing their nutritional value? Many people soak everything, believing it removes all anti-nutrients. Others roast everything, assuming heat makes food safer and healthier. But biology tells a more nuanced story. Some seeds release more minerals when soaked. Some actually become easier to digest when lightly roasted, and in certain cases, soaking makes little difference at all. Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today, we will break down which seeds and nuts you should soak, which should you roast, and how much should you consume. So, first, let's understand why preparation methods matter. Seeds and nuts are living embryos. They contain protective compounds, such as phytic acid, enzyme inhibitors, and tannins. Phytic acid can bind minerals like iron, zinc, calcium, and magnesium, slightly reducing absorption. Soaking activates enzymes that may reduce some of these compounds, while roasting can reduce moisture and improve flavor, and sometimes lower certain anti-nutrients through heat. Preparation should match the biology of the specific seed or nut. So let's discuss it for common seeds and nuts one by one. First up, chia seeds. Soak, do not roast. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, soluble fiber, and antioxidants. When soaked, they form a gel due to soluble fiber. Roasting chia at high heat can damage delicate omega-3 fats. Always soak chia seeds for at least 30 minutes, ideally overnight. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. Those with swallowing difficulty should avoid dry seeds. Next up, flax seeds. Light roast and grind. Flax seeds contain lignans and alpha-linolenic acid, a plant omega-3 fat. Whole flax seeds often pass undigested. Soaking alone does not break the hard outer shell effectively. Light roasting improves flavor and reduces moisture. Grinding flax seeds is essential for absorption. The best method is to lightly dry roast on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Cool and grind. 1 tablespoon of ground flax daily is enough. Use moderate amounts in hormone-sensitive conditions. Next up, pumpkin seeds. Prefer soaking or light roasting. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and plant protein. They contain moderate phytic acid, but soaking does not significantly improve mineral absorption compared to light roasting. Dry roast at low to medium heat. Avoid deep frying and excessive salt. Take 20 to 30 grams daily, about a small handful. Next up, sunflower seeds. Light roasting is preferred. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, selenium, healthy fats, and plant protein. They contain some phytic acid, but not at levels that require mandatory soaking. Light roasting improves flavor and maintains most nutrients if heat is controlled. However, excessive heat can oxidize their polyunsaturated fats. So, dry roast sunflower seeds at low heat for a short duration. Consume them only 2 to 3 times a week due to their high omega-6 content. Next up, almonds. Soak for better digestibility. Almond skin contains tannins that may reduce nutrient absorption. Soaking overnight softens the skin and may reduce enzyme inhibitors. Removing the skin after soaking can improve digestibility for some people. Soak 5 to 10 almonds overnight, peel skin in the morning, and consume on empty stomach or with breakfast. Moderate intake in people prone to kidney stones due to oxalates. Next up, walnuts. Soaking is optional. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Soaking may slightly reduce bitterness, but has limited effect on mineral absorption. High heat roasting should be avoided because it can damage delicate fats. Optionally, soak for 2 to 4 hours or consume raw and fresh. Next up, cashews. Light roast is fine. Cashews are lower in phytic acid compared to almonds. They do not require soaking for nutrient absorption. Light roasting enhances taste and texture. Take 5 to 7 cashews occasionally. So the final takeaway is, avoid high heat for omega-3 rich foods. Do not assume soaking automatically makes everything healthier. In the end, consistency, moderation, and quality matter more than rigid rules. If this video helped you, subscribe to the Mindhunters and turn on notifications so you never miss evidence-backed insights. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.